drop. On the screen, on the scene, all the screaming. got a 느낌, got a 느낌, I got a feel.
Whoa, okay, go on. Oh, whoa! The crop? Oh, the energy! They're not here to play. What's good? Today, we're gonna be checking out a brand new girl group called BADVILLAIN. They're under BPM Entertainment, which is the same company as VVZ and many other artists. So I thought I would show my love, and you guys were requesting this one a lot. I've heard good things, but I really like following a group from pre-debut to the debut. So I'm gonna do that, kind of binging it here, you know, watching all of it together. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's just dive into the profiles, learn about the group, then we'll watch every single, I hope mostly every single video from the pre-debut up until the new music video that just came out. Hi everyone, if you're new to the channel, my name is Sean. I've been acting and dancing professionally for over 10 years now. I'm training choreography and freestyle, but also I just love global idol music. So hopefully I can give you a fresh perspective on the videos we're about to watch. You'll likely get dance analysis with a side of awe and admiration for the talent idols are able to present. We have a Patreon in the description below where you can get access to over 500 exclusive reactions, including albums, live stages, variety content, dramas, idol shows, and I have so many more ideas to expand beyond that. If you like what I do here and you're able to financially support me in my journey as an artist, feel free to check it out for yourselves. I'm always reading messages and requests over there, and it's a great community. And of course, it's all optional. If you want to support on this channel alone, leave a like, subscribe, and comment what you guys thought below. All that said, let's get into the video. Alright, so let's check this profile out. This is of course K-Profiles. Let's go. BADVILLAIN is a 7-member South Korean girl group under BPM Entertainment. The members are Emma, Chloe Young, Hue, Ina, Yoonso, Vin, and Kelly. Okay, so already, just from the names, I have a feeling there are some international members in this group. They made their debut on June 3rd, 2024 with the single album Overstep. We don't have a fandom name, we don't have a color yet, or a logo that's not loading yet. Anyways, let's just get into the profiles. Hello, Emma. Birth name, Song Haemin. Emma Song, main dancer and rapper, 2000, Taurus. Chinese zodiac sign, that's pretty cool. Dragon. She's full Korean. INTJ. Grew up in Vancouver, Canada. Do I know you, Emma? Haemin? Okay, I'll have to keep an eye. What the heck, Vancouver? You guys don't know, I'm in Vancouver myself. She began dancing when she was 16 years old. I wish I started dancing that young. She can speak English and Korean, of course, being from Vancouver, that makes sense. She likes Rihanna, Tinashe, Doja Cat, and Megan Thee Stallion. We'll get more into each member as we go along. Check out a guide eventually. We got Chloe Young. Birth name Chloe Duong, main rapper and dancer, 2001, Scorpio Snake, ISTJ, Korean Canadian as well. What? We got 2 Canadians up in here? What's going on? Don't tell me you're from Vancouver too. Where'd she grow up? Favorite number is 21. She's danced at 1 million, Just Jerk, YGX, okay. Why don't we know what part of Canada? I want to know. Maybe she didn't grow up there and it wasn't enough of a... But the fact that she's Canadian, part Canadian, that's pretty sick. Hui, Kim In-hye is her birth name. Vocalist and dancer, 2003, Scorpio Goat. ENFJ, and she's full Korean. So far all Korean. There's a Korean American and 2 Korean Canadians. So that's pretty cool. Born in Incheon. Nickname is Fox. Winter is her favorite season. Okay, Huey. Ina, Jong Ina. Dancer and rapper, 2004, Monkey, Gemini. Korean Australian, Canadian and Australian. Ina attended a dance school in Korea prior to her debuting. Her number 1 treasure is her puppy named Kiki. A hashtag that expresses herself is in a trance. I kind of like that. Ina wants to play games with fans during fan signs. That's fun. What kind of games? Are we playing video games? What's good? Ina, do you play Super Smash? Let's play. Next we have Yoonso, rapper and vocalist Kim Yoonso. Full Korean, dancer, July 3rd, 2004. Oh, okay, this is a month from now. I was like, June 3rd. So she was a former contestant on the survival show My Teenage Girl. I know a few people who were on that show. Maybe I should check that out. Yunso is a former FNC Entertainment, YG, and SM Entertainment. Okay, Yunso, definitely someone to watch out for. She has some training in her belt. Next, we got Bin or Vin, Chae Sobin. Sobin. She's also for Korean. Why did I think there was gonna be internet? I think it's just the stage names kind of threw me off. But we do have Australian and Canadian, but everyone's Korean so far. 2004, Sagittarius. Okay. Her nickname is Bing Bing. She's trained for 1 year and 5 months. Her number one treasure is also her puppy, Che Joy. Or I wonder if it's supposed to be Choi Joy, because that's, I don't know. I think in Korean this last name Che, it doesn't sound like a. Anyways, whatever. Kelly Ha Soyeon, the maknae, 2006. Honestly, 2006 for a maknae these days, that's pretty old for a maknae. But I like it. 18 for the maknae. So she's full Korean as well. ISTP, Gemini. Couple Geminis in this group. June 16th, her birthday's coming up, so she's actually about to be 18. So she's 17 right now. How does math work again? Yeah, that sounds right. Yeah, she's about to turn 18. Okay, I see. She has a weird personality, but she's also mature. Okay. She passed audition at Interpark Music and Swing Entertainment, Def Dance School. Her goal is for BADVILLAIN to become Rookie of the Year. I've heard good things about them, so they might not. I heard they're like very hip hop group, so I'll keep that in mind. Move Dance Studio for Vin as well, by the way. Move Dance Studio. Move Dance Studio. That's interesting. Because I see them all the time on YouTube. Let's get into it, guys. Very excited. Let's go. We're just gonna let these videos play. If there's really something I gotta go back for, I will. But I really want to get to this music video as soon as possible. I don't want to be spending too much time replaying. But honestly, those two performance videos, Hurricane and Plus 82, those seem like something that I'll probably have to go through a couple times, break down the dance or whatever. But I guess we'll see. Let's go. You know they're good because they're already getting complaints about being compared to, groups that already exist. That's just how you know, as long as it's not actually the case, that's how you know a group is going to be successful. I'm just saying. All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Spoiler film 1. Let's go. I'll go back and like all the videos, for the algorithm and everything. Let's go back on that. We're starting out with the masks. Okay. Whoa. They're like a crew straight off the bat. They're dance. What the? What the? What was that? Was that Hurricane? I think I heard Hurricane there. The way that they're extending back already, it's getting me excited. I definitely see the talent in them already. Was that their voices as well? I guess it would have been. Spoiler film 2. 3, 2, 1. Oh. They definitely have some training in hip hop, man. Damn. I love the use of these chest pops and everything. It's really cool. Oh. Damn. Oh. Well, I can see why you guys requested this group. I'm getting some good vibes. All right, I think now we're going to be checking out the full versions of whatever we just saw. Performance director Casper. Choreography by Root and Nino Kim. Lyrics by Buffo Babas. Composed by Buffo Babas. Arranged by Buffo Babas. Vocals directed by Buffo. So, okay. Whoever Buffo Babas is has a big part in this. Mixed by Stay Tuned. All right, let's go. I'm excited. We're already getting different shots. I don't know if these spoiler films, I don't know if they're actually gonna be. Well, let's just get into it. Stop talking. Let's go. Familiar with Root's work, Casper as well, of course. Okay, it is. Okay. Oh, we're spitting. Wait. This girl's standing out to me. I mean, her voice and the way she's executing the choreography. Whoa. Whoa, okay, go on. Shit. Okay, we do need to go back. Especially because we don't have a dance practice yet for this. Let me just... Okay, let's go back. Yeah. Alright. They're exciting, man. They've been training a dance. You can tell. Like, they got the crew vibes. Yeah. Just the way that she goes like this, all feminine, like, you know, a little sassy attitude. I like it. All right, she's definitely standing out. But I know some other members as well. Her as well. Yeah. Oh yeah. She kind of reminds me of BADVILLAIN a little bit. If that's her rapping, I really like her flow and her cadence and everything. I like her voice too, so alright, keep that in mind. Ooh, some tutting? Okay. Whoa, okay. Let's break our backs a little bit. Yeah. Girl's going full out for this, man. Full out. Okay. I always like to check this out because angles are everything. Like to see who's going. Her, like, look at the line that she creates here. Really nice. She has to be one of the dancers, right? She has to be. If not, she's something to watch out for. Obviously, she's amazing. They're all really solid. Okay. All right. Good groove from her. This is why I was saying her. Like this trio right here is really nice. Honestly, I don't know, man. They might all have like. I like that moment from her too. I like to metagame it a little bit. Who's like put in like the focus on that, but watch the groove though. Oof. Gosh, if she doesn't have a dance position, I'll be surprised. She definitely has a dance position. I think she was the first member from Vancouver, right? What's good, Emma? Is that you, Emma? All right. If not, sorry. But no, just watch these grooves side to side. So good. Watch this. Oh yeah, they're strong. The eye contact. Ooh, this is exciting. I can see why you guys requested these, girls. What's the age range? It's 2000 2006. So 6-year difference. 2000, so that's so now we have 80 plus 82 performance video. Casper as well, worked with them. Dancer Jihyun. So we got some dancers in this as well. Once again, vocals and everything directed by Bufo Babas. Really enjoyed that first one, man. It's gonna be a long video just because there's a lot to break down, I think. Let's refresh our memories a little bit. Okay, so that's Emma for sure. Chloe Young, I was pointing. I think I was pointing her out as well. Also as a dancer position. Ina, okay, Ina's the rapper dancer as well. Yunso is she the one with the streaked hair? I'm gonna keep looking at those and just like refreshing my memory. Let's watch performance video 2 plus 82. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Emma. Chloe? Is this Chloe? Oh, tick, 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 tick. I might be getting Chloe and Ina confused. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa. The crop? Yo. Woo, woo. Damn. Oh. Holy shit. Okay, okay, okay. I was like, they're not gonna do the Gora Gora without the knee going. Oh, good texture change there. Man, they're clean though. Holy shit. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is exciting, man. Why she gotta bite the glove like that? Come on, Emma. Oh my gosh, just the way that she leans back too, man. She's got such a confidence, man. She's so charming. Look at that little nonchalant. I got this. I got this moment. Yep. Little smile change. I like the isolation moments. Who's the girl with the crop top, by the way? This girl's crazy. The crump. You see those like hands going? That's crump, bro. That's crump. Yep. Gosh, her like, okay, I need to know who this is too. Hey, look at the lean back from everybody too. My goodness. And I, of course, like just super iconic. Gah, 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 gah. And just like bending back like a little, like you're pulling a lever. Tick, 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 tick. I wish I could know what they're saying, but we don't have captions, looks like. We only have Hindi auto-generated captions, so I'm not gonna be able to follow Hindi, unfortunately. So what the hell? Hey, hey, crump, crump, crump. You want the smoke? Oh my gosh, and then the scale gets crazy. The rotation. Whoa, pop, pop. Lots of crump in this. I'm not surprised with Casper being the choreographer too. She hitting the bang bang? Okay. And a little connection. Pop, 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 pop. No, but they're super sharp. And bro, this is pre-debut. You know it's gonna be a crazy dance group, bro. I hope they can sing too. I really do. Because if this group can sing, it's all over. Yo, this group is gonna go far. But so far, rap is great. Performance is great. I'm sure we'll figure out what their vocals are like in the debut MV. But really strong. I'm gonna check out the member profiles again. I need to know. Ina's got the bangs. Who's Hui? Who's Hui? Chloe Young is definitely that second one, right? Rapper, dancer. Emma, I mean like Emma's like straight off she's given me like It's like how like with like Juodin with XG, how I just immediately know who she is. She's got that kind of aura too. Ina, Yunso, Bin. I need to see like this first shot, I think. Yeah, this first shot. Let me see this. Okay. We're doing research, guys. We're doing research. This one looks like Vin, right? Oh shit, maybe not. Okay, this one. Okay, who's this one? Oh, Kelly. This one? Oh my gosh, bro. Who is this one? That's Yunso, isn't it? Yunso? Yeah, it's definitely Yunso. Okay, Yunso, that's the vocalist and rapper. I noticed that because she didn't get a lot of parts in the center there. Okay, I need to know who this is. Who's got the sassiness here? Who's got the sassiness? Oh. Maybe Huey is this girl here in the white? Maybe? One of them kind of looks like Jiu from Card. Is this Kelly in the back? Kelly in the back there? Vin is a vocalist, so I'll have to keep that in mind as well. I think we're gonna have to watch it one more time. I just wanna... You know what? No, we have a lot of stuff to get to. Okay, I will work on it, guys. I will work on it. Next video, I'm definitely gonna know. Hurricane live clip now. We got stuff to watch, guys. We gotta get to the MV. And it's already been 25 minutes that I've been recording.
Yeah, BVs. Let's go. Yeah.
BVs?
Hurricane. Yeah. Hurricane. Hey. Hurricane. Yeah. 말보다 내고 셰프가 내고 I take off. 내뺀 애교 중에 rappers. 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo. Crown taker. Coming out the underground safe.
Oh, we got lyrics. Sorry. Start again. Sorry.
Yeah, BVs. Let's go.
Why she gotta say it like that, though?
Hurricane. Yeah. Hurricane. Hey. Hurricane. Yeah. 말보다 내고 셰프가 내고 I take off. 내뺀 애교 중에 rappers. 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo.
This is my echo.
Coming out the underground savior. 같으니까 너와 나 좀 쳤어. 그치린 hurricane 돌아버리겠어.
Oh my god. She's got like a soft voice, but her rap?
My flag wave like ocean. My plans 자망이 sunshine. 나 백업쟁이 녀석들은 모두 올라와 우리 선사. I'm crazier than crazy one. You know that I'm different from the alien.
Who is this?
남은 난리여서 적당히 나다운 게 내일이야. Talking all the fears who you are. 닿기 전에 귀에 추월하지 like 번뜩이 내 머리 dynamite. Up and up 다르지는 drop.
Oppenheimer. So did only 4 of them take part of that track? But they had the whole team on the performance, which I think is smart. Let's watch it again. I can't get enough of this group.
Yeah, BVs.
We haven't even seen the debut yet.
Hurricane, yeah. Hurricane, hey. Hurricane, yeah. 말보다 내고 셰프가 내고 I take off. 내뺀 애교 중에 rappers. 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo. Crown taker. Coming out the underground savior. 같으니까 너와 나 좀 쳤어. 그치린 hurricane 돌아버리겠어. Picking up ride. 뒤에서 날아가 I'm on a ride. 모두 우리 밟아 stomping. 그래서는 걷고 When I'm on a top of this 노래 더 보이지 You think I'm stupid. 눈에 trust with Sauron. 걔는 이미 졌어 사보기도 전에 I could trust on my pros. 앞에다가 다쳐 빨리 포기해 너네. My flag wave like ocean. My plans 자망이 sunshine. 나 백업쟁이 녀석들은 모두 올라와 우리 선사. I'm crazier than crazy one. You know that I'm different from the alien. 무드는 나타나면 난리여서 적당히 나다운 게 내일이야. Talking all the fears who you are. 닿기 전에 귀에 추월하지 like 번뜩이 내 머리 dynamite. Up and up 다르지는 drop.
Oh my god, she said I'm gonna drop it like a nuke. What the fuck? Well, she gotta say it like that. This group is powerful. Okay. This one killed it for me. This one killed it for me in this one. I also like her soft tone. I don't know. We'll have to see who which one is the bias that pops out, you know what I'm saying? So it's gotta be someone, the soft voice one has to be someone. Is this, it's gotta be a vocals rapper, right? I feel like she's, is that Yunso? It seems like that's Yunso. Is this, oh, this might be Ina. This might be Ina. Maybe? I think it might be. So this must mean this is Chloe? Is this Chloe? No way that's Chloe with the soft voice, bro. Cause we're in trouble if that's the. Let's move on. Let's check out the trailer films now. This is gonna be an hour long. Honestly, I'm okay with that. Let's go. She have ballet training? What's going on? Damn, she's upset. Voices in her head kind of vibe. Whoa! Kind of gives me Ning Ning vibes. Which means she could be a record for me. Who knows? Pretty sick. That's a cool font. Okay, BPM. Chloe Young. Let's see if this is who I was talking about. I'll probably be able to confirm it now. Damn, okay. Oh, the acting, wow. It's like she breaks through the trauma and the hardships and comes out stronger and powerful. It's pretty sick. It's given like superhero, anti-hero vibes. Like a super villain. Bad villain. Enough. I think I was right, guys. Ina and Chloe might be the early biases. We'll have to see. Sheesh! Hello. Okay, Ina. I see you. Let's go, Hui. Shit. Oh, she got the green. We all have certain colors. She doesn't elevate, which is okay, and she also has a different color. The last two had the same color. Maybe it's to signify like rap line versus vocal line? I don't know. Alright, Emma. Different. Yeah, she's got the green too. Damn, I don't know, man. She's hard to ignore. She's such a badass. Interesting. Who will be the bias, y'all? Yunso. Whoa. Hers is really intense. Purple? I'm trying to notice every little thing. She also stays on the ground. That was was a good one. Yunso. Okay, I see you. I don't know, man. I don't know if I'll have a bias right away. We'll see. We'll see. And now we have Evin. I feel like I'm watching this out of order. Makeup. Whoa, the tear goes back in. Whoa. Purple. That's a cool outfit. It's probably got my favorite outfit so far. Well, is it the last one? Now we get BADVILLAIN trailer film. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. I'll probably edit this down so it's a little bit more cohesive. But at the moment of recording, it's been 37 minutes since I started this video. So I'm invested, bro. I'm invested in this group. That outfit from Vin is crazy. I'm excited. Are we there? Are we there? Are we there? No, we still have some other stuff. Okay. Alright, it's fine. It's fine. We're watching everything, guys. We're watching everything. I want to watch it like you guys did. So this is called Overstep Concept Film 1 Over version. Damn, I like the bling on the hands there. She's really pretty. Okay. I like her attitude. Yeah, she's got such a unique look. Is that Ina again? Chloe? No. No, that's not Chloe. Okay. Now we get dark version. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Damn, look at all the belts and stuff. That's sick. What is she holding? Damn, I love the leather gloves. It's such a cool look. A little bit of a spiral. Oh, okay, I was like, we only showed half the members. Come on. Yeah, she's impossible to ignore, man. She's cool. It seems to be like their, like the little bling, the little, oh, she got butterflies? The little cross, like spiky cross. Seems to be their, album preview. Let's go. Let's see. I feel like I'm probably gonna check out this album, but let's just confirm that. Does this mean we get a full version of this? Attitude. Got the comic book style. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. I'm hearing vocals. I'm hearing vocals. Was that the title track? What was that called? You know what? We're not gonna worry too much about it. Bad Villain Teaser. #1. Okay, we got the lineup. Okay, nice. Like super villain. Yeah, that makes sense.
Who do you think you are?
Oh, we get to see their heights. Are they all 5 feet?
Yeah.
What the heck? No way they're all 5 feet. That can't be realistic. What? No, that can't be. We only have one 5'5" member?
BB. What? That villain.
Is that really their height? Teaser #2. And then we are finally at the MV, y'all. Let's go. Glad I checked this out. I feel like I'm becoming more of a fan as we go along, you know? I'm getting to know the members a little bit by little bit. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Styling looks crazy. There's so many different sets. The eye in the back, okay. Masks. Ooh. The dance looking sick. Bro. Okay. Let's freaking go, y'all. Everybody, it's finally time. It's the beginning of a new journey. Our journey with Bad Villain. Okay. I'm kind of scared. Am I ready? It's my first time. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Boom. I love the comic book aesthetic.
Yeah, BB. What? Villain.
Very epic. Red eye. Hey, Emma. Hey. What? Hey, I like the little horns there. Yeah, I'm okay, Emma. They're solid, man. Here we go. Oh my. Oh my. Hey. What's rolling on the ground? They're revolutionaries. On top of like all these screens and TVs. This wasn't in the teaser. These outfits. Oh, the energy! They're not here to play. What?
Villain. Villain.
So that's cool, man. That's real cool. That's real cool, man. Gotta say, man, they really did come out with a statement, and I just feel like immediately like they're gonna take over the world. So I gotta make sure. I want to make sure I'm not missing anything. So let's go back again. If these are the real highs, they're short queens. Let's go. Like they had a whole intro here. I need to see the choreo. I really need to see the choreo. This whole gas mask aesthetic. I like her little smirk there. This girl, wait, wasn't she the one in the second verse that also killed me? Have my emotion. Oh my god. Bro, is that Chloe again? Let me know. Ugh, I gotta know who this is. But like her attitude, she was talking about her attitude, but I just like how I love her stage presence. Classical reference with the piano. Wow. Is this Yunso? Okay, Emma. Whoa, the eyes. Feathers. The pink. Oh, I love the conductor style here for the pink. Oh my gosh, who's this? She's got this. I love this moment from her. Let's go. Gosh, do you see her face there? Who the heck is this? Is this Chloe again, bro? It is the same girl. She's crazy. She's so memorable. I love that transition as well. Got the Catwoman out in the back. Can't feel no pain. Oh, I like those. They're like biting down on it. I really like the scale of this scene. Yeah, look at it go. Oh, this looks nice in this circle formation. They sound like they got some great vocals. I love the lighting on this, the choreo. Super sassy. Man, that great transition as well, bro. Emma is insane. The change in expression and the energy. Wow. Good handwork as well. And this one you think it ends. Get a little outro as well. Well, guys, that was really cool. Lots of fun checking out this group. Definitely have some people to keep in mind, okay, that are already catching my eye, who stand out stage presence wise and everything. But you know, I'm ready for anybody to take that bias position. Maybe I feel like there's definitely gonna be someone who stands out as a bias for me in this. Full honesty, with the song, it's not my particular, like, it's got a lot of anthemic vibes, and the I don't know, I'm just not feeling the song so much. Maybe with more listens I'll get into it. Maybe when I see the choreography, just the choreography, I'll like it more. I really like the group though. I really like the group, and obviously you guys saw my previous reactions. I'm invested in this group. So yeah, Hurricane and Plus 82, I just prefer them sonically, but I appreciate this one. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. It's good to see that they got some vocals too. Obviously, we know that they got the rap and they got the dance skills. And now we know they have the vocals as well. I'd be curious to see the live stage for this one. I'm really curious about this group. I think like this song might grow on me. I'm just not a big fan of the dun 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 dun. I know some people might really vibe with it. I just feel like I've heard it before. But let me know all your guys' thoughts in the comments below. Leave a like, subscribe if you guys do enjoy the content. If you watch the whole video, let me know also in the comments, because I know it's a long one. But I definitely think that they're a really promising group. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Check out the Patreon if you guys want to check out the album. Is there any other songs on this album? I don't know. But point is, we'll be checking out BADVILLAIN, you know, variety content and all that stuff on Patreon if you guys show some love on this one. And of course they're BPM, so I'm going to be supporting them. You know, I love VVZ, and they've been putting out great stuff with the group, with the artists in that group, in the company. So stay tuned for future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.